I tried MathWallet app for 7 days. Here's a shocking truth. When I first installed the MathWallet app, I expected a simple crypto wallet. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that MathWallet is one of the most powerful multi-chain wallets I've ever tested, and it might just be the Swiss Army knife of woe. On day 1, setup was quick. The app supports over 100 blockchains from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Polkadot, Solana, and even Binance Smart Chain. That's more than most major wallets combined. By day 2, I started connecting it to decentralized apps. The built-in app browser worked flawlessly, and I could access to fee platforms, NFT marketplaces, and games without needing to switch networks or wallets. Midweek, I explored its staking and cross-chain features. MathWallet lets you stake tokens across different networks and manage them in one dashboard. I even tested swapping assets between Ether and Binance Chain. It was smooth and surprisingly cheap. By day 5, I noticed something that most people miss. MathWallet isn't just a mobile app. It also has browser extensions, desktop versions, and even hardware wallet support. That means you can use it on any device while keeping your assets under your control. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. MathWallet is one of the most feature-packed wallets in the crypto space, but it's still flying under the radar. It's designed for people who want full control of their assets without being locked into one blockchain. If you're juggling multiple wallets or constantly switching apps to access different networks, MathWallet could change how you use crypto altogether. It's versatile, fast, and built for the true multi-chain future of hope.